Imagine waking up one morning to find your investment portfolio has taken a nosedive overnight. Fearful? You should be. The reality is, market crashes can happen at any time. And with recent volatility in the stock market, many investors are feeling the pressure. In today's video, we'll explore practical strategies to protect your investments during turbulent times. But first, let's take a moment to reflect on the current market situation. 1. Setting the scene. Right now, markets in the US and India are grappling with rising inflation, geopolitical tensions, and interest rate hikes. These factors create an atmosphere of uncertainty, making it essential for us to be proactive rather than reactive. After all, how do you expect to navigate a storm if you're not prepared? The stakes are high, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to weather any financial storm. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I just hide my money under my mattress? Well, if you're planning to do that, you might want to consider some more strategic approaches. Let's dive into our first strategy. 1. Diversification. Diversification is your best friend when it comes to protecting your investments. By spreading your money across various asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments, you reduce the risk of a single market downturn impacting your entire portfolio. Think of it as a safety net. While one asset might plummet, another could rise, balancing your overall risk. Quick question. How many different asset classes are in your portfolio right now? Don't worry. If you're not sure, we'll cover how to assess that later on. 2. Emergency fund. Next, let's talk about an emergency fund. Before you start investing aggressively, it's crucial to have a financial cushion. An emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses can keep you afloat during market downturns. This fund acts as a financial safety net, allowing you to make informed investment decisions rather than panicking and selling during a downturn. Imagine telling your friends you've decided to use your emergency fund for a vacation during a market crash. Now that's a different kind of investment strategy. 3. Stay informed. Knowledge is power, especially in investing. Staying informed about market trends, economic indicators, and global events is essential for making educated decisions. Use reliable financial news outlets and tools to track your investments and assess market conditions. Here's a thought. What if I told you that the most successful investors don't just react, they anticipate? Stay tuned as we explore proactive strategies next. 4. Consider hedging. Hedging is an advanced strategy that involves using financial instruments to offset potential losses. For instance, options trading can provide a safety net against falling prices. While this strategy requires a good understanding of the market, it can be an effective way to protect your portfolio. But here's the catch. It's not for everyone. Be sure you fully understand the risks before diving into hedging strategies. 5. Regular portfolio review. Finally, make it a habit to review your portfolio regularly. Market conditions change, and so should your investment strategy. Regular assessments help you identify underperforming assets and reallocate resources effectively. Quick check-in. When was the last time you looked at your portfolio? If you can't remember, it's time to take action. As we wrap up, remember that protecting your investments during a market crash isn't just about avoiding losses. It's about seizing opportunities. By diversifying your assets, building an emergency fund, staying informed, considering hedging, and regularly reviewing your portfolio, you'll be well equipped to navigate any market storm. So, what's stopping you from taking these crucial steps? Your financial future is in your hands. And speaking of taking control, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. For even more insights into personal finance, check out my next video on Budgeting 101, how to create a budget that works for you. Your journey to financial mastery starts now.